Hi everyone, I'm Arun Malve and welcome back to Good Shows. If you're enjoying this video so far and maybe even learning something new, take a quick second to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And hey, don't forget to smash the notification bell icon. Ever got lost in your Mac like a maze? Click around hunting for desktop documents or any other folders which you are looking for. So let's open the Finder settings or the Finder app, which is like face down app in the dock. So now heads up to the Finder tab, which is on the top left corner in the bar. Or once you click on it, if you're using an old Mac, it will be Preferences. If you're using a new Mac with the new version, it will be Settings. Once you click on it, click on the General tab to add the hard drive, hard disk, external drives, and servers. Then click on the sidebar where you can add the favorites like desktop, documents, home drive. And once you add them, select them, check the box, and the magical appears on the sidebar, like putting the sticky notes on the Mac itself. This is the first way where you can add them. The second way is like you need to drag and drop magic. Go to the Finder, go and add the My Computer. And once you see that, you can drag and drop the Mac HD drive into the favorites, or you can just remove it just like clicking on it and dragging into the position. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Good Shoes. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.